Hello viewers, welcome to Audio is 360. Today I have this JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker and the problem is crackling sound in this speaker. Let me give you a quick demo here. Turning on the speaker here, pressing the Bluetooth button, playing the song now. So this is the crackling sound. So we have to fix this. So without wasting any time, let me tear this down. So first I have to pry this from here. This speaker has been already opened by the subscriber, it seems. So that's it. So further I have to take out this side as well. So now we have to, from this side we have to pry it like this. That's it. So this is the speaker and the condition, I think you can see. Let me zoom here. So the ring is completely bad, glue has been applied. So alright, now without wasting any time we have to replace the ring here. So I have this fresh ring here, so I'm going to replace this. So to replace this we have to take out the driver, that will be advisable. 4 screws we have to remove. This is the plus screws. So alright, so let me take out these screws here. Alright, screws has been removed. Now it's time to lift the driver here. You can see it is coming easily. Just like this. This is the 2 terminals here. So now you can see the wires here. So I'm going to take out these wires by desoldering it, and again I have to fix the same wires to the same terminal here. So wires has been taken out. So there is no work in this part. So I'm keeping this separately. We have to clean this everything because too much of glue is there, excessive glue. We have to take out this padding so that we can fix this rubber ring here. After fixing this rubber ring, we have to install this padding back to its place. So I'm going to use NC thinner here so that the bonding of the glue becomes weak. Then we can pull this out. Further I have to clean this, so let me do that and come here. Simply we have to lift like this. It will come easily if you apply the NC thinner. The glue bonding will become weak because of that. This much of glue definitely no one should use. This is not advisable whatsoever. So alright, this part has come out. Now it's time to clean this everything. I have to remove everything. There is too much excess glue is there. We should not do like that. So let me clean this again using NC thinner. We have to give some time. We have to take some time to clean this. Then only we can replace. Simply in video it will look very small work, but it take time to clean this. So let me do that. So somehow I have managed to remove this old ring. So still there is so much of residues right around here. So I have to clean this. So let me do that and come here. So finally I have managed to clean it. It took lots of time and effort. You can see my fingers all with residues. Although it has been cleaned, further I have so much of residues. So now it's time to install the ring here in its place. So this is perfect ring available. For the size of the ring is 40 mm. So alright, let me apply the glue and fix the ring here. So I am going to use this B8000. This is black color. So I am going to apply at the outer part of the ring here. Speaker here. Then I am going to apply the glue on the reverse side, the inner side here. You can see this side. So let me apply this glue. It is very difficult to show in the video here. So I have applied the glue here. You can see the right round of this driver. I hope you can see. And I have applied the glue in the inner ring here as well. So simply it's time to position the ring here. So I have positioned the ring here, pasted. So you can see how perfect it is. Though lots of damage in the driver, if you fix it perfectly, this will work perfectly. So you can see the action here as well. So just after applying the glue, we have to press like this. so that the bonding will be strong. Like similarly you have to press like this, so the bonding will become very strong. After few hours you can use it. So alright, let me wait for some time, then I will assemble the speaker. So before that I have to apply this outer ring here as well. So let me wait for some time so that this will get dried. So I have applied the glue in the ring, so simply I am going to paste it. So that's it. So let this get dry for some time. So alright, I have soldered the wires here back. So it's time to simply put the speaker in the housing here and put the 4 screws here back to its place. So let me do that. So that's it. So it is perfect. Now simply it's time to test the speaker. I hope there will be no crackling sound. So this is the best way to fix the speaker. So turned on, the sound itself says everything perfect. So just playing. We'll go through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So perfect, there is no crackling sound. Though the speaker was very bad in condition, in shape, still I have managed to fix the ring. While replacing, if you want to buy this ring, it is available here in AudioViz 360. I am from Bangalore. It can be shipped to any part of India through speed post courier. But while fixing, you have to follow the same steps. It will be easy to fix. Otherwise, if you put too much of glue, then it will be very difficult to remove the residues, and even if you replace the new ring with the too much of glue, then also it will destroy the driver. So never use too much of glue, but definitely the required glue you have to use here. So alright, now it's time to put the speaker cover back to its place. So let me zoom out here. So simply by doing like this, it will close, and we have to put the covers here back to its place. That's it. I hope you can see. Just by pushing like this, it will fix. That's it. And this side, just by doing like this, it's done now. Speaker is fine. Let me play a song here. So perfect sound. If you want to buy the rubber ring for this JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. If you find it difficult to replace, you can send it to me here in Bangalore. I can share you my address in my WhatsApp if you message to my WhatsApp number. Price I will give it when you ping me in WhatsApp. So number is given here. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.